Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. On today's video, I want to show you how to add YouTube songs to your CapCut video. So I already add a video to the editor page on CapCut, and I want to add audio, but I want to add the sound from YouTube. So what you need to do is you can go to your home screen of your phone and open the YouTube first. So at the YouTube, you can just go to the search column, and in this case I'm going to find a no copyright song so that it won't be an issue when you upload it on YouTube or on others platform. For example, I'm going to just find no copyright music. Okay, so I'm going to, let's say, use these songs. So I'm going to just open the songs, and the next things that you need to do is you can open the screen recorder apps on your phone, maybe the screen recorder from your phone directly, or you can also download it on Play Store, and you can just record these songs. For example, just click on screen record and record these songs until maybe you finish, or you can just record it to a certain durations, and then after that you can just go back to your CapCut editing and click on add audio and go to extracted, and here choose the video that you record before, the songs that you record before on YouTube. Import sound only, and here I'm going to just trim it until it fits into the duration of the video. Okay, I'm going to delete the ending. I'm going to trim the beginning. Let's see. Okay, so as you can see here, the song has been added, and you can make some adjustment. You can, for example, trim it or cut it so that it fits into the video like this. And yeah, I think that's it from me. That is how you can add YouTube songs to your CapCut video. I hope this video will be helpful to you. Please don't forget to click on like, leave a comment, and also subscribe. See you on the next tutorial. Bye.